Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today I have another prize. It's a 1968 Triumph T100T Daytona 500cc. This one's being drawn on the 23rd of March at 9 PM, and tickets are £2.99 for this one. If you fancy a ticket, go to the website. It's theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. I'm just going to start her up for you so you can see how to start it if you do become the lucky person to win the bike. As you can see, it's cold. The other exhaust, that's cold. So what we need to do is turn the ignition key on. Yeah, got a fuel tap here. One side's reserve, one side's normal. Got two ticklers on the carb. We just need to flood these till fuel comes out, and then same on the other side. It's a bit cold today and a bit wet, as you can see. Also got a choke up here. There's a loose cable choke which is forward, so that's on, which drops the slide down. So now we just need to give her a kick and see what happens. A bit of life. So because it is very cold and we haven't started it today, we might need to tickle it a bit more than usual. There we are. And then it'll just take a little while to warm up before we take it off the choke. But as you can see, it's a really nice example, fully restored, matching engine and frame numbers. It's got this lovely kind of, I think they call it like a teal, bluey green colour. There's silver on the bottom. It's a Daytona model, so you've got your twin carbs. Nice stainless steel spokes, chrome rims. It's a lovely example of a Daytona. They sound amazing as well. Try and get the microphone a bit close to the exhaust. As you can hear, it just needs warming up a bit as it's a bit fluffy. So, but yeah, it's off the choke now, ticks over really nice. Yeah, lovely bike. So yeah, fancy a ticket, go to theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and thanks for supporting us if you do buy one.